So spaghetti and potato were also transferred in such a manner from different nations to other nations. Spaghetti and noodles are generally used in China, and it started the origin of the spaghettis and noodles is from China, but it become utilized gradually in other nations. So just like pasta is used to eat by Arabian merchants, and with Arabians it comes in in Italy, Sicily. There is a island Sicily, and now it become much more popular in Italy, that pasta is used as to know about Italian special dish. So in this way, there is so many things, just like uh, soya, groundnut, maize, tomato, chili, potato, sweet potato, which were not generally used in so many nations, even in our nation also. But after but before 500 years, it started in India to used as a common food item. By mistake, Columbus reached to America, and during that time, the America is known as a huge part. So in that part, North America, South America, Caribbean islands, all were included. So from there, so many type of food item were transferred from America to Indians, and we become introduced with them and utilizing them in our daily life as a food. You may surprised to know that Columbus had started his journey from Portuguese to find India, a sea route for India, but he reached America in 1492. So he started his journey to find out the way, sea route for India, but he reached American continental area. Just like Vasco da Gama had started his journey to find the sea route for uh, America, but he reached in India in 1498. Here is a point given that potato is a special food item in Europe for European nation for poor pupils. But once in 1840, the crop of potato become fall down, and it become so many lost. The potato crop become destroyed in many parts of the Europe, by which uh, hundreds of thousand people were died due to hunger, or we can say by starvation. So potato is used to eat. It is a big food item for Europeans, for poor Europeans. So you can think that how potato was important for Europeans, because it is used by general poor peasants and poor peoples as a main food item. So it is known as Irish potato famine, because mainly people were died by starvation in Ireland area, which is now a part of Britain.